So guys, I'm here to going to unbox my Nikon. This is Nikon D5300 with kit lens, 18 to 55 lens, rear lens. So let's start. I open this box. So 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna unbox. I'm so happy today. Wow, amazing. This is Scott, and this is warranty cards. Warranty card, and this is books. This is sticker and some precautions written on this paper. Usage, how to use, and this is Nikon notebook. Sorry, this is Nikon book. How to use Nikon and how to adjust settings, etc. And these are CDs for how to in photography, how to learn how to photograph. That's all. And this is this is adapter, power adapter, Nikon power adapter, and this is kit lens. This is 18 to 55 kit lens. I put here, and this is charger. This is charger for charge the battery, and these are cables, data sharing cables. So you can connect your camera with the TV, LED, etc. And this is Nikon strip for hanging the camera. Nikon strip. And this is USB data cable for connecting your camera with your laptop, PC, etc. This is USB cable. And this is battery, Nikon battery. You can see this. This is Nikon battery. .20-volt battery. And what's this? And here is main body. This is Nikon D5300 Nikon battery, body. This is main body Nikon. It's look nice grip. And this is, I think this is for eye lens, extra one, and nothing more. Now this is Nikon D5300 body, and this is flip screen. Rotate. You can rotate toward the angle. And now we adjust the lens. And now we put in the battery. Sorry, this is card for card port, and here is, yeah, this is battery port. And now we turn on. This is adjust your language. Select your location, and I will adjust this later. Now this, and you can see this is Nikon D5300 is ready with kit lens 18 to 55 mm. So thanks for watching my video. In the next video I will show you how to adjust setting and how will comparison with other cameras and like that. So thanks for watching my video, and goodbye. Thank you.